Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to condition Papa's clay with a hairdryer. Papa's clay is different than any other type of polymer clay, and one of the biggest differences is that it conditions differently. Instead of using pressure or smashing or rolling it or anything like that, it actually just conditions with the heat of your hand. So if you open up a package of Papa's clay and you try to use it before it's ready and before it's conditioned, it's just not going to work and you get some really crumbly clay. That's okay, that's supposed to happen, there's nothing wrong with the clay, it just means that you need to condition it. Like I said, it conditions from just the heat in your hands and some gentle kneading to get it ready. A small piece usually takes about 15 to 45 seconds to condition, and a larger piece can take a minute or two. But if you want to heat it very easily without having to do anything at all, you can just use a hairdryer. So I've got a piece of kiwi green Papa's clay. I'm going to take off this piece from the top that I've already used before. I'm going to grab a fresh piece of kiwi green from the block, and now I'm going to turn on my hairdryer and just point it at the clay for about 30 to 40 seconds and expose the different parts of the clay to the hairdryer. Don't worry, you're not going to pre-bake your clay with a hairdryer. A hairdryer does not get anywhere near the 265 degrees Fahrenheit that's needed to bake polymer clay. So once you turn off your hairdryer and gently knead the clay in your hand for a second or two, it's pretty much ready to go. As you saw, I didn't need to use a roller, a pasta machine, or anything else. I hardly had to even expend any effort or energy to get it ready. So thanks for watching this video with me. Stay tuned for more Papa's Clay tutorials. Thanks very much.